Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a consulting accounting WordPress theme which is named as finance. This is one of the best theme I found out there with consisting of 5 plus home demo data and 4 plus header data, and if you just scroll down you will be able to see that they provide you different types of header section, different types of home template, which is really amazing. And this is like super simple to install. Single click download and install and import section. Let me show you what kind of demo these guys provide you. And if you just click on live preview, you will be able to redirect to the author's official page where you can just see what are the demo content they are providing. uh, Author page might not load every time, it's like taking time. That means there must be some kind of error or server problem, I guess. So I would rather suggest you to just skip this. Yeah, there is server problem, it's taking too long to respond. Okay, we will skip that. We will just try to import the whole website on our website. That will be really fun. You just have to stick to the video till the end. Okay, so this theme will cost you approximately $50. Cool. And if you are not sure that this theme is perfectly fine for you and for your business, you can, and if you are just want to try this theme, you can always come to our website and get this theme for $10. And if you feel that this theme is not for you, not worth it for you, you can always claim a 7 days money back guarantee. Isn't that great? So okay, so let's download this theme. Click on download now, and the download process will start automatically. I will just cancel this for the time being because I have already downloaded it. So once your download has been completed, you have the file on your system. We have to upload that file on our WordPress website. Super simple. If you don't know, don't worry, I will teach you how you can upload that particular theme on your website. Come to your WordPress website. This is my WordPress website, fresh and fine, installed on my server. So I will try to log in. If you don't know how to log in, you just have to type wp admin just after your url and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Yeah, it will obviously ask you for the login and password if you are logging for the first time. So you will find your login password while you were installing WordPress. Okay, once you're logged in, you will see some kind of similar interface in front of you. This is called the dashboard or the backend of a website. And on the left hand side, you will see multiple menu section, settings, tools, user. Today we are going to look on appearance. Under the appearance hood, you will see themes. Click on themes, and here you will see we have to add a new theme. Click on add new, and here by default WordPress gives you n numbers of free themes. So I personally don't suggest you to go for free themes because free themes are not that much flexible while it comes to designing and mobile perspective. Their mobile perspective is not that much responsive, and also their conversion rates are pretty low when it comes to AdSense. So I personally suggest you, if you have a little bit of budget to invest in theme, that would be really appreciated. Okay, cool. We just have to upload our theme here. Click on upload, select the file. I will select the file. Here it is, and click on install now. So once it is installed, you just have to click on activate and it will be activated. As simple as that is it. So I will just cancel it because I have already installed it. If I'm not wrong, let me check if it is installed. Yeah, it is installed. I will just activate it. Super simple. So our theme has been activated and it is suggesting something to us. It is something like it is suggesting us to install some kind of recommended plugins. So basically, what are recommended plugins? A theme consists of multiple functionalities. A theme consists of slider, a theme consists of search bar, multiple blog post, grid section, image gallery, multiple functionalities, right? So to make work done by those functionalities, a functionality is totally depend upon some kind of certain plugins. And if those plugins are missing from your theme file and theme directories, those particular functionality won't work properly, right? So whenever a theme suggests or recommend you or gives you some kind of notification to install some kind of recommended plugins, never ever try to avoid or just escape away from those kind of notifications. Just try to install all the plugins. We'll click on being installed, and our I have already installed it. I just need to activate it. Let me see that I have all the plugins or not. Yeah, I have all the plugins. I will just select all, activate, and this activation process totally depend upon your internet speed. Let's wait for a couple of moments and it will be activated pretty soon, right? Finger crossed. Let's wait for it. So as you can see, all these plugins has been installed and activated successfully. And let's see how our website looks right now. It's something super basic and super simple, no issues and that. We will just try to import our theme in this website. And to import the theme, you just have to come to appearance, and the appearance would you will find import demo data. Click on this, and once you are here, you just have to click on this button, import demo data. Just click on it, and this is the moment when you go and grab your coffee, grab your snacks, and wait for a couple of moments. And when the import has been completed successfully, you will be able to see a whole different website. Okay, let's wait for it. So as you can see, theme has been installed completely and imported successfully on our website. It's time to see how our website looks right now. So earlier it used to look something like this, pretty basic, without no footer, like no header, nothing at all, simple basic website. And the moment of surprise is now. I'm going to refresh this page and let's see how it looks. Okay, and wait for a couple of minutes, and here we go. Everything looks perfectly nice, right? This is truly a finance business theme, which is looking really amazing according to me, right? If you see, here is a call to action button and a completely designed footer and a sticky header as well. If you see other pages, our team page, it must be designed perfectly. As you can see, it is really designed professionally. If you can see the service grid, our service pages has been also designed perfectly. And the best part about this theme is it is also mobile responsive, right? If I lesser the width, it is automatically responding towards that, right? So let me tell you a brief description. If you want to buy this theme, you can always get a regular license for $49 or $50 or something like that. But if you're not sure that this theme is perfectly fine for you and will perfectly work for your business, you can always try and test it out our GPL theme for like $10. And if you anytime feel that this $10 is not worth it for you, you can always claim 7 days money back guarantee. With the help of that, you will be getting your money back in no time. That's really great. And if you're a WordPress agency or a freelancer WordPress developer who develop WordPress websites on a regular basis, then you should definitely check out our membership plan also, because with the help of membership plan you will be able to get a lot of benefits, right? Let me show you how you can get it. If you pick the lifetime plan, you will be able to get 5400 items for every single year, able to download 5400 item every single year. And if you don't have that much money to invest in the initial stage, you can always get a $29 plan for monthly charges, right? And you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is also good according to me, because this website consists of more than 6000 WordPress plugin and themes, which is totally nuts, isn't that? So with that being said, I just want to wrap this video up. You've been a great audience. Thanks for watching till now. I'll see you in the next one.